Hello, what's going on everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. Today I want to teach you how to beatbox easily in 1 minute. If you like beatboxing and gameplays, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload my tutorials, my beatboxing and my gameplays. So let's start now. The first easy sound is kick. Just choose a word start with letter B and try to pronounce it very hard, like bang, 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 and remove the other letters and just focus on the or it sounds like that easy. The second sound is hi-hat. You should just say this is just like that. Say a word that starts with T like tank or tennis and try to say that very hard. Put your tongue behind your teeth and just like that. It was piece of cake till here, so let's go to the last sound. The third sound is K snare. Try to say a word that starts with K like cat or kangaroo and try to say that very hard. Cat, cat, and remove the other letters. And now you can beatbox. Don't forget to practice. This is just practicing. Beatbox is practicing. Your instrument is your mouth, your chest, your throat. So just practice. Practice. Practice till you get pro in any sound. If you want to learn each of these sounds separately, check out this link. Click on this and go watch my tutorials. So this was today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, you learned something. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and like the video to motivate me to make better videos, more videos and better background. Have a nice day.